All right, hi everybody. I'm here with my friend Gift. We're going to show everybody how to apply our Kelro neem oil horse lotion, where we can apply it in the ears and on the face and inside the ears as well, wherever there might be a tick or so, to keep them all protected, and rub down to the nose with our fantastic product, because it's non-toxic and natural and everything. And here's our drum here, the neem oil lotion. And that is what it's all about, the Kelro neem oil lotion with our neem oil and a touch of lemongrass. And we can even rub it around the tail to prevent the ticks, if there's any ticks getting up on the edge of the tail and everything. That's actually exactly how it should also be used, to avoid that. So in actual fact, the whole, as you can see now, we have rubbed the horse's face. What is this horse's name?
Snowball.
Snowball. Snowball has now got lotion around the face and around the eyes, and you can even rub it close to the eyes. It will not do any harm or affect the eyes. All it does is keep the flies away from the eyes, because the flies like to sit around and sit on the eyes and everything as well. So thank you again, Gift. We are using Kelro neem oil lotion. It's a perfect way if the horses are scared of the spray, of using a spray, because sometimes they're a bit skittish of using a spray on the horse. This is the perfect way to help the horse get relieved from all the flies that are irritating them around the eyes and around the ears. And as we are still standing here, there's no flies landing on the horse here. Exactly no flies at all. They're hovering around, but they don't land. All right, that's our clue for today on our Kelro neem oil lotion. Very effective to be used on the face as well. You can just rub it on with your hands. That's exactly how it can be used. Thank you very much, Gift.
Welcome.
Shot, my man. Have a good day, all right?
Welcome.
Very good. Thank you.